Bilingual learning.
Car. Bus. Mail truck. Rickshaw. School bus. Delivery van. Tow truck. Garbage truck. Ambulance. Fire truck. Taxi. Police car. Excavator. Bulldozer. Dump truck. Road roller. Cement mixer. Forklift. Grader. Combine harvester. Horse carriage. Bullock cart. Tractor. Fighter jet. Glider. Blimp. Parachute. Hot air balloon. Helicopter. Space shuttle. Rocket. Space rover. Airplane. Boat. Cargo plane. Sailboat. Submarine. Ship. Jet ski. Ferry. Canoe. Cargo ship. Tugboat. Yacht. Train. Metro/subway. Double-decker bus. Tram. Monorail. Funicular. Bullet train. Motorcycle. Bicycle. Skateboard. Scooter. Unicycle. Roller skates. Electric car. Electric kick scooter. Drone. Crane. Hoverboard.
Thanks for watching Bilingual Learning. Like, subscribe and share.